Welcome back guys, this is scienceorzo. In last video I discussed on how electron was discovered. So as I promised, in this video I'm gonna bring you how proton was discovered. So without further ado, let's start. After discovery of electron as fundamental negatively charged particle in matter, scientists wondered about positively charged fundamental particle. As most of matter are electrically neutral in normal conditions, atoms must also be electrically neutral. This means other than electrons, there should be another positive particle in the atom. That is when in 1886 Eugen Goldstein did a small modification to usual cathode ray tube. So guess what he did? Instead of a normal cathode, he placed a perforated cathode. The usual cathode rays moving from cathode towards anode could be observed. And additionally, some red colored glowing particles moved opposite to cathode rays and moved out from the holes in the perforated cathode and produced red spots in the wall of the glass. Goldstein had no idea what these were, but since it travels in opposite direction to cathode rays, it was known as anode rays or positive rays. Goldstein entered various gases into the tube and checked for its properties. He was amazed to see while changing the gas, the properties of anode rays also changed. So he concluded that positive rays are obtained from the gas inside the tube. So he also named it as Canal rays. Further properties was tested by a scientist named J.J. Thompson. He could discover various behaviors of positive rays or canal rays. He placed an electric field on either side of the tube. He saw that ray bent towards the negative plate, so we can conclude that anode rays are positively charged. He also saw that canal rays can rotate a paddle wheel kept on the path, so it has the ability to do a work, which means it has kinetic energy. Whenever we change the gas inside the tube, the positive ray properties also changed. So it's hard to explain all the properties in this single video. For example, when you put hydrogen gas under high voltage and low pressure, the gas becomes ionized, and 2H plus and 2 electrons can be seen. In this case, 2H plus is the canal ray particle, while 2 electrons are the cathode particles. If we put oxygen gas, we obtained 2O plus canal ray particle, which show a completely different property to 2H plus canal ray particle. Simplest positive ray particle can be obtained by using hydrogen gas inside the tube. Rutherford named it as Proton. So after Rutherford's various experiments like gold foil test, which I will explain in a future video, he was honored as the scientist who discovered proton. Up to that moment, scientists were only able to discover electron and proton. In future video, I will share with you how scientists like Rutherford, Aston and Chadwick broadened this theory and helped discover another particle in the atom named as neutrons. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos. See you next time.